After you have created your first quiz, it's time to invite some users or your whole team to live the LearnU experience. It only takes you a few minutes to invite the people you want. To do this, click on the Invite Coworkers button and then you will get to this screen. As you can notice, it's possible to invite your coworkers with 3 different types of emails. Depending on the language you prefer, you can choose between English, Spanish and Portuguese. To send the invitations, you must choose the language and then enter the people you want to invite in the following table. In this table, you can easily copy and paste a list directly from an Excel file or a spreadsheet. Here is an example. Once you have completed the table with the people you want to invite, click on Send Invitation and the people will receive a personalized email in their email inboxes with your invitation. Here is an example of the email they will receive. Another important point is that for each person you invite, you can see in the overview of the users module that this person has been invited. Once a user connects to your company code in LearnU, the status will change from code not connected to code connected. This will help you keep track of who is connected to your company content. If you want to remove someone, you can click this button and then the person will be automatically disconnected from your company code and the company content. Remember, if you have any questions about this module or about LearnU, feel free to contact us at any time via the support chat. We will respond to your queries within minutes.